Executive Director, Ahomani's Energy Policy Analyst as well, Benjamin Insiana. Indication no, any say, yeah, Kase no, Kameya kwa yese, well, company no, Ghana Oil. They say, one more kwa hunye here mupa. Wamusi kasem nyina no ayebasa. Enti company no, wamu ensheda enhu wamu huano. We do not want to get to a situation Yebeka say Ghana Oil egu gwel no egu. Ma many Ben eni nkomo na yemisa say edi epote ana AC ewo gwel. Ben, what you mean? Good morning, to saying.
Good morning, Minia. Matona, mehoye.
Very well. Yeah, that's to say anope wajie so. Enti first of all, edi an AC wo gwel.
I mean, the AC of GOIL, the researcher, Center for Environmental Management, within the petroleum downstream, compare petroleum downstream players are public. That's a public, more shareholders are other than some private entities. Here, three companies: Shell, Total Energy Marketing Ghana Limited. Shell and Sudi Vivo and IFA GOIL. But the interest with GOIL is that the other two companies are private companies.
Okay.
For that matter, no, young crown Crisica and Amode. The interest of GOIL because GOIL, three major components and other entities and the shares for GOIL. The Eddie kind of are buying about 34%. The also soon a Senate, while soon in Senate and Sulia. Or invest well so that dividends the back now the tier the pensioners and now the tier 2 and 3 of other contributors and at the also a Boston so shares for well more 20%. Okay, so say Boston so want many seconds for abbreviation or for so buying say or increase the boss margin and man. In fact, for example, we have boss margin 2020 and 3% per liter, but I'm not say increase it 12 pesos per liter. The increase here is investment boost a year or well no, and yield the needed revenue. Ebema boost at media demand. Abribia no for so buying say on fire she can bring a fango hona Ghana for Honchiro. Until we look at the data for the past 6 years, GOIL the major share of the market. Makase market now. Within the petroleum downstream, will be a ton Kessben GOIL. GOIL in Kwano, or Hanji Chimono, 16% of the market is owned by GOIL. The HL is almost 20 in about 171 companies. 171 companies, GOIL in Kwano, 16% of volumes are a tono, Busuni Bianasa, Fibia in that industry.
171 companies.
171 companies. They could even be more because Abibiano numbers in this is. But in fact, the benchmark is 171. And a GOIL and Kwano own
16% of market share.
Market share.
Okay.
Aside owning 16% of the market share, in recent times, GOIL and so on, the boarding. In fact, the products now is the most expensive, mostly. Compared to Vivo Ghana and also Total Energy Marketing Ghana Limited. Even sometimes, Bono was saying these companies here make kind of mobile. Yes, say, Oton Dodo, Obo was so now the intima on fast one sortie, and that is where we came into some profitability ratios and then efficiency ratios and liquidity ratios. They are the sustainability of GOIL. The first is that we have profitability ratios now. The profit in general has not been doing well. For the past 6 years, GOIL, the highest profit in 2022, which is 81 million Ghana cedis. In the same 2022, total realized 161 million Ghana cedis. Malika said total, the autono ISA. And a bonus or turn on going in a ton of pay. It had a total be making 161 million Ghana cedis. Well, it making 81. That is a question. Now, I will put them say in 2023, can total or increasing the profit from 161 million to 169 million. Well, a ton abounding, a ton of the well profit SOT by 25 million, which is about 69% drop in the profit of GOIL comparing 2023 to 2022. So we needed to ask questions. Then the first question is that what is their profitability ratios? So if you're more profit margin ratio need to say Abribia Goel Beton at the 1 city no, and as I'm saying, so ultimate one at the 1 city. Did you only 4 pesos? And what the total 1 city? Did you 10 pesos? Then Goel the ton did you 4 pesos? It means that there are some expenditure be a in the price of especially with the cost of sales. Either say or more top product now boarding and some of the time and now here the cost of why because how can a cost of sales take almost 96 pesos out of your revenue or realizing? See, that is a problem there which they have to look at. Now the second problem is that it's actually operating profit margin. Operating profit margin even goes further to indicate that Goel ton at the 1 city only 1 peso in a free 1 city now what on, which means between profit margin no operating margin no general expenses of Goel are very, very high. Or more expenses was so and that expenses now also no any affect your profitability. Even a share or more assets performance. Now asset performance also no share what the total one and also no well what Chile can say because total is doing asset performance of about 10 pesos and well is still at the asset performance of about 4 pesos and also Chile still now there's inefficiency because assets do now now and yield the necessary profit also yield or assets do no and we've seen the evidence say in modern times do closing offices down. People are working from home.
Yeah.
People are doing maybe getting a very classic office, simple office. Somebody Goel keeps building infrastructure. Now, from 37 Echo Joulu.
Yes, from Big Farm Junction.
Big Farm, a huge edifice. And infrastructure no building now or building. All buildings were it is not giving you the necessary revenue. To me, Ediama, we have investor companies, which is Snit and Boss, will also function well. The DFA determined also no. The truth of the other truth is say in 2018, now Boss, Goel, the share price, 3 Ghana cedis 12 pesos. So, Ghana stock is in the Sana or Tono, 3 Ghana cedis 12 pesos. Now, Minuka say the share price of Goel, 1 Ghana cedis 50 pesos. Shell is not attractive because and because Shell is any attractive, people don't want to invest there. Omo share price no so take. They also amount for metal, right? So they decreased their share price in 2018 from 3 Ghana cedis 12 pesos to 1 Ghana cedis 50 pesos. What's Total Energy Marketing Limited no or no in 2018 now the share price is 3 Ghana cedis 4 pesos. Now, Minuka say as at March, Total the share price 9 Ghana cedis 50 pesos. What will jump problem? So, if data we now carefully, it means that Goel is being mismanaged. There is no efficient management of Goel, and for that matter, no, you have to say earnings, no, and I say share earnings, no, esobeti. You have to say share price, no, everybody rule. I'm gonna affect Senate contributors. I'm gonna affect bust operations, no. And they is to bust next Senate for say brass to say also municipal free Goel or municipal free Goel to diversify into other areas that yield better dividends for them to be able to pay their contributors in the case of Senate, Tier 1, Tier 2, and also to be able to assist boss perform the function and the objective yes setting boss on performing boss and then Senate. Well,
but all of this, are Ghanaian-owned companies. And for instance, say Boss, any Senate, your more doing say almost shareholding capacity or more in Goel, no, one now what happens to Goel as a company belonging to the state?
So what happens is that maybe private investors may come in to own majority shares and then redirect the affairs of Goel, and for that matter, will be any mismanagement. Or, for example, look at Nano Promo Marketing Department. they brought in Ron 91. Now Ron 91 no musi omodi abano. Any fuel station there in Tombi. You see, there's even a conflict in the minds of people. Why some well stations are selling the product 50 Ghana cedis 22%, and whilst others are selling the product 14 Ghana cedis 65%. So when an M1 well 8 million because Ron 95 no more buy no. They didn't actually study the Ghanaian petroleum market. They didn't study Ghanaian petroleum market. No. They didn't actually study the Ghanaian consumer. They didn't actually study the Ghanaian transport sector to know the vehicles that are imported into the country and if these vehicles would like to use 195 as their product. It one of them, they failed. And in every jurisdiction, Nipana or in charge of telling well to go on 95 today, no, must be held responsible and even sacked from the company because Omokoye no, Omokuchi, and Omasamba, and Omobanonso no. But one to me, I'm money in Nano, they are not selling. And when they are not selling, they do say the boss any snake music firm, what becomes of well. Even the boss any snake is so in your music firm in associate. Ghana is losing 3 companies at the same time because Ghana is losing Slate is losing money, Boss is losing money, and the GOIL itself is also losing money. Indeed, same year they are Ghana losing 3 companies at the same time. No, and I say 2 major companies now will contribute to your friend is saying GOIL, no Ghana Oil Company Limited, Omunio Music Free, the shares will be acquired by private persons, and these private persons will ensure that there's managerial efficiency and also sustainability of GOIL as a going concern business. And yes, I've been.
So unfortunate, Ben, a line or I drop it. But I think the import of it, yet to me, Enya. And that is the latest news, a free a year Ghana oil. Well, eba.